Want to restore your blood sugar levels and shed those extra pounds naturally? Here are 4 powerful ways to achieve perfect blood sugar and lose weight. First, eat a balanced diet. Focus on including lean proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains in your meals. Foods like chicken, fish, avocados, and quinoa help stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full longer. Next, include fiber-rich foods. Fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes and crashes. Enjoy fruits like berries, vegetables like spinach, and seeds like chia and flax seeds. Staying active is key. Regular exercise helps your body use insulin more efficiently and lowers blood sugar levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, such as walking, jogging, yoga, or strength training most days of the week. Lastly, drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated helps your kidneys flush out excess sugar from your bloodstream. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day and try to replace sugary drinks with water whenever possible. Incorporate these natural ways into your daily routine to restore perfect blood sugar and lose weight. Start your journey to a healthier you today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.